Hi. I want to tell you some things and show you some things. Also, I miss you. But let me show you some stuff. So, on April something, April 29th, I posted the AP testing guide and it's over 50 slides long. I don't know if anybody actually looked at it. So, I wanted to just point a couple things on it out for us all so that you know what you need to know for our exam. So I'm going to go ahead and click it open. And what I wanted to show you is right here. So 2 days before each of your exams, you will receive an email. It's not going to go to your school email. It's going to go to the email that you registered with. I will send you that information when I'm done making this video. So I'll email your school account and I'll send you your AP ID and the email address that you should actually use to find all your AP stuff. So when you get into that email address, your iCloud or your Gmail, whatever you use, 2 days before our exam, you will see an email that has something like this in blue. So it will have your AP ID, it'll have the information, and then it'll have, most importantly, a link that you're going to click that will take you to the exam. So you're going to get a different email for each exam that you take. So make sure that you check. Our exam is May 13th, so you should check May 11th. Make sure that you don't share your AP ID with people and don't share the link with anybody. I didn't really want to go over this, but it's the next slide. You can see when all of your other exams are going to be. We are in the Pacific time zone, so I highlighted when all of your exams will be. The other thing that I wanted to show you is very, very, very important. It's how I think you should submit your essay. There are 3 different ways that you can submit. I think the first way is the easiest. The first way is just copying and pasting. There are maybe 2 people that said they wanted to handwrite. So I'll try to show you the handwriting first, but I'm not going to do it on my phone. So we just have to imagine the best we can. So on this side, I have open the exam demo. I'm going to click continue. So you're going to do this on the exam day. For us, you're going to do this at 10:30 because our exam starts at 11. So at 10:30, you're going to log on with your Apple ID. Gosh, I keep saying Apple ID, with your AP ID and the email address that you use, not your school one, your personal one, and you'll see something like this. Now, when our exam is ready to start, I'll click on it and show you, but I just wanted to let you know that there are 3 different ways that you can attach your essay. I want to show you the copy and paste one first, and then I'll show you attaching a photo. So for copy and paste, what you're going to want to do, you're going to do this on your computer. And you can do this today. You should go to your AP Lit folder in your Google Drive account for your school account or probably your personal account. I don't know, whichever one you want. And you're gonna make a document titled exam, just like I've done. And when I open it at the top, I've prepared it ahead of time. You need to do the same thing. I've put my gosh, I keep saying that. I'm so sorry. I've put my AP ID at the top, and then I put my initials at the top. Now under here is where I'm going to write my essay. Beautiful. On this side, you see our question. Now, our exam is only going to have one question. It's going to be a short story. It's going to be like Zenobia or the birthday party or cherry bomb. All of those prompts are short stories. That's what we're going to be working on. So you'll see on this side of the screen, you'll have your instructions, your prompt, and your story. So you can't copy and paste from here. So you're going to want to have some paper near you, maybe like a little booklet or just a piece of scratch paper, so that you can make those graphic organizers that we use to analyze and break down the prompt, as well as gather textual evidence. So I'm reading through it. I have a timer at the bottom that I'm looking at. I'm remembering that I should spend like 30 minutes writing my essay. So that means I've got 10 minutes to read and plan. I've got my paper in front of me and I'm just writing. Now, when it's ready for me to write my essay, I'm going to type it on this document here. Oh, and just in case, if you don't know how to actually do this, you have one window open, you resize it to what you want, and then you just click on a tab and pull it down, and that's how you get two separate windows, just in case you didn't know how to do that. So back to this. So I'm typing my essay. My essay sounds amazing. I'm really making sure to use all of the resources that I can. So maybe on my table where I'm working, I have like verbs written down. Maybe I've spent time and I've written down tone words. I've written down sentence stems. I've written down, maybe I just like hand wrote my really high scoring essays. And I have those in front of me so that I can kind of use them if helpful. Now, I'm going to say, students, don't use the internet. You don't have enough time to search for things. You can go into your AP Lit folder if it's organized and if you know what you're going to need. I would just really, really recommend spending a little bit of time thinking through what resources do I have that would be helpful for me to have on hand, and I can just like pull them out and use them and have them right next to me. Okay, so I'm writing, it's amazing. I'm using my resources. I'm remembering that I can do this. I have been training. I am smart. Okay, now it's time for me to submit my essay. It's the 40 minutes have passed. I've got an essay. Maybe it's 3 paragraphs. Maybe it's 10 paragraphs. I don't know, but I'm ready to go. Please make sure, please don't write 1 paragraph. Please don't do that. You need multiple paragraphs. Whew, okay. Anyway, so I'm ready to copy and paste. So I'm going to select everything. I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to go over here. And do you see at the bottom right here where it says paste response? You click that, and it's going to bring you to this box here. Now, if you click on the box, there's a cursor, but I can't type anything there. The only thing I can do is paste. But let's say that I paste and I realize, oh my gosh, I spelled there wrong, or my first sentence is not a complete sentence. It doesn't make sense. I need to fix that. What you do is you click clear field, you go back to your document, you change what you want to change, and then you just copy and paste again. Boom, easy peasy. And then you're going to click submit. Okay, so that's what I think most of us should do. I think it's the easier option. Personally, I type way faster than I can write, and sometimes my handwriting can be kind of hard to read. So that is why I would suggest typing it. There are maybe 2 people who've said that they want to upload pictures of their essay. So if you're going to upload pictures, you are going to actually access this whole testing exam portal through your phone. You have to access it through your phone because your phone is what you're going to use to take pictures and submit your essay. So you can't have it on your computer and then take pictures and then upload it from your computer. It's got to be through your phone. So for this, I've got my phone in front of me. I've got the story. I'm working on my paper. I'm handwriting it all. Okay, I'm paying attention to time. When my phone, because at the bottom it'll have the same timer that you see here. Notice how it's in red now because it's telling us we don't have much time left. When we're done, we're going to take pictures of all of the pages of our writing. I would say don't write on the back at all. Make sure that you can actually read your writing. If you're going to write in pencil, push harder than a ghost. Then we are going to take pictures of it. And I want to show you on the computer what it looks like. So what you'll see here, and these are examples just so you can see what it looks like. But what you would do on your side, remember, you're doing this on your phone. So on your side, you click attach photos, and then it'll bring up a camera. And you're just going to take pictures of the pages that you wrote and click submit. You know me, you know that I have anxiety. I would not want to I don't know, this method just feels a little unknown to me, which is why I would suggest, and personally, I would type my essay. But ultimately, dude, it's your choice. If you want to handwrite it, go for it. You're smart. I know that you can figure it out. Just really make sure that you like look at this and you practice this ahead of time. Okay, so those are the things that I needed you to know. Um, Most importantly, that our test is May 13th at 11 a.m. You have to sign in at 10:30. You will find your AP ID and the link in the email address that you registered with in the very beginning of the year. Please think ahead and have resources ready that you're going to use. Please don't go to sleep at 2 a.m. the night before our exam. I know that you don't have to be ready until 10:30, but don't do that. Please don't. Get 8 full hours of sleep, like normal sleep, not like 1 a.m. to like 9 a.m. No, that's not normal. Get a normal amount of sleep. Eat a normal breakfast that's good for you. Drink some water, maybe do some stretches, and take those good deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth just a couple times before our exam starts. You're going to do well because you've prepped all year for this. Things have changed and we're doing the best we can. And I know from the work that you've done since we haven't been like at school in our classroom, you're ready. You really are. You can do this. I know that you can. And if you're freaking out, talk to me about it. And I can freak out with you a little bit and then kind of talk you off the edge and help you get back to the amazing writer and reader and person that you are. So I love you in a non-creepy way. I hope this was helpful for you. And please reach out if you have questions. Today is Friday and our exam is on Wednesday. And yesterday I was just outside there. That's my backyard. I was outside and I was telling my husband, my fiance, about it. And he was like, "It's on Wednesday?" And I was like, "Yeah, dude, I've been talking about it for months. Thanks for listening." But he also kind of freaked out with me. So I'm freaking out. It's okay for you to be freaking out as long as we all just remember how smart we are and how capable we are. Because you can do this. You're smarter than you think you are. I promise. Okay, I'll see you later.